thank you all for coming. I'm going to talk loud because we're kind of spread out. But today we are gathered to assign this brand new Rosenbauer fire engine to its detail as Engine 2. And not only are we blessed with the strong commitment of service from our firefighters that are in the audience, we are also blessed with the commitment of our city's leadership as they support our efforts to upgrade our emergency equipment. I'd like to acknowledge a few special guests that we have here today. We've got Jane Levinsky with the Fire and Police Commissioners. Thank you for coming. City Manager Nicholas and Alderman Mike Verbeck. So thank you all for being here. So this project isn't as simple as saying, I like that one, I'll take it, like you might at an auto dealership. And then you put it in service. So there's a tremendous amount of work behind the scenes to get this engine in service. We were able to uplift this engine with new battery-operated extrication equipment and a large porta-tank to prepare us for rural fire operations, and among many other upgrades in tools and equipment. So I'd like to acknowledge the spec committee for all their hard work in planning, the mechanics team for putting this together once we received it, even our administrative assistants who were integral in helping us collect all the paperwork and make sure we're doing everything correctly, the finance department, our deputy fire chief of operations, Don Fallhaber, had a lot to do with this project. But they all had a part to make this truck become a reality. So we do appreciate the efforts. So today, it is a tradition in the fire service for placing a new fire apparatus in service. The tradition was to pay respect to horse-drawn fire equipment, as was, many years ago. So when a call was complete and the horses returned to the station, they were released, and the firefighters would wash down the equipment that the horses would pull, and they would push the equipment back into the station. So today we will wash down the engine, dry it off, and push it into the station, welcoming it to its new detail, Engine 2. So thank you for coming, and we'll get started with that. I think you do.
I was not like that. That's going on your Never done that. It sounds like